Welcome to today's tutorial on mastering the basic SQL operations, insert, update, and delete in SQL Server. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to brush up on your SQL skills, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently manipulate data in your SQL Server databases. Before we dive into the SQL code, let's quickly go over what we are going to cover. Insert. How to add new records to a table. Update. How to modify existing data. Delete. How to remove data from a table. We'll go through each operation step by step, and I'll show you how it works in SQL Server using practical examples. Let's start with the insert operation. This is how we add new records to a table in SQL Server. Imagine we have a table named Customers with the following columns. Customer ID, first name, last name, phone number, email, address, date of birth and registration date. Here's the SQL query to insert a new record into the Customers table. Insert into Customers, Customer ID, first name, last name, phone number, email. Values, 101, John, Doe, +1 to 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, john.doe@email.com. In this example, the insert into statement specifies the table name and the columns where we want to insert data. The values keyword is followed by the actual values we are adding to each column. Let's execute this SQL query and see what happens. Now you can see that one record is inserted. Let me insert the records in another table also. Now, the records in other tables are inserted using same method. Let's execute these queries and see the result. Next up, the update operation. The update statement is used to modify existing records in a table. Let's say we want to update the job title of the employee we just added. Update customers. Set email is equal to john.newmail@email.com, where customer ID is equal to 101. Here, in this query, we are updating John's email address to a new one of the customer with customer ID is equal to 101. Notice the where clause, which ensures that only the record with customer ID is equal to 101 gets updated. Without the where clause, all records in the table would be updated, which is something you definitely want to avoid. Let's run this query and check the changes. Now you can say that one record is updated. Let me update the record from another tables. Updating a plan's price. Update plans. Set price is equal to 65.99, where plan ID is equal to 201. This statement increases the price of the unlimited data plan from 59.99 to 65.99. Updating billing status. If a customer has paid their bill, we need to update the billing table to reflect the new status. Let's mark John's January 2025 bill as paid. Update billing. Set status is equal to paid, where billing ID is equal to 401. Here, we are updating the billing status for customer John Doe to paid. Let's run this query and check the changes. To check that the tables are updated or not, you can execute select all from plan, select all from services, and select all from billings. Let me execute. Here you can see all the tables are updated. Next example is deleting some records from tables. Sometimes, a customer decides to cancel their service. In that case, we might want to delete their record from the system. So let me write the query to delete this. The scenario is deleting a service for a customer. If a customer cancels their plan, we may need to remove their service record from the services table. And the query is delete from services, where customer ID is equal to 101 and plan ID is equal to 201. Here, we are deleting John's service associated with the unlimited data plan. Let's execute this query and see the result. Yes. Now record is deleted. Be very careful with the delete operation. If you omit the where clause, all the records in the table will be deleted. That's all for today's video on SQL operations in the telecommunication domain. We've covered how to perform insert, update, and delete operations in SQL Server. These are the fundamental operations that you'll use frequently when working with databases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more in-depth tutorials on SQL Server, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding.